What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll take you through shoring up defenses in Arc Raiders. The first two parts of this are pretty simple: destroy 5 wasps, destroy 3 fireflies, but these last 2 bits, I'll show you where they are and what to do. Those are using an arc alloy to reinforce the raider structure on top of the stacking yard and board up shuttered windows in the hotel. Let's do it. If you wish, instead of having to find and collect an arc alloy, you can of course actually bring one of them with you. I'll place it in my safe pocket. So head across to Riventides in any game mode. As for wasps and fireflies, you'll find them just about anywhere on the new map, but to board up shuttered windows, you'll likely find most of them within the hotel panorama, and the stacking yard is on the northeast side of the map, and right near the center is where we'll need to head for the second part. Depending on where you spawn, you can do it in a different order. To start off, I've appeared at the stacking yard over here. If we head across towards this middle one, you should see close by to the bottom here, we've got this container and a place where someone's ziplining up. That's where we're heading. So going towards it, we can use this zipline once we hop our way up here. And at the very top, you'll see that we can repair this just on top of the zipline. So we'll repair it, and there you go. That's it for this part of the quest. Reopening the map, here's where we are on the northern side of the stacking yard. Next up, make your way towards the Hotel Panorama Azura, all the way on the far middle west side of the map, and make your way into it. I'm heading in from the northern side here, straight into the center, where you can see there's this big opening. All we need to do here is, once we're inside, look out for turrets which can spawn above you, and we'll head towards the eastern side where we can go upstairs. If we head up the stairs here, all the way at the middle floor over here, on the eastern side, continuing, we'll find a door on our left, and inside of here, we've got our first shutter that we can board up. There should be quite a few of these inside of this building, but this is the easiest one that I've found this far. For example, continuing east, I've found basically the end of this building. There might be some more upstairs, though you need to interact on the inside. Once we boarded it up, all that's left to do is to destroy wasps and fireflies, assuming you can find them. As for destroying wasps and fireflies, you obviously know what wasps are. They're the basic, simple quadcopter arc that fly around, and fireflies are the more angry version of this with quite a bit more armor, a little bit bigger and angrier than the hornets. Though of course you likely need no explanation of these. Once you've extracted, assuming you've destroyed the fireflies and wasps, you've now completed this quest and you've been granted your items. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.